The biggest nyam up on the block. Nyam pussy like dog. See me a bigger front to your fuck. See the people. See nyam front wide.
What is?
I don't want this one man clock. You think you're a bad man that's born buck left? What if I left you? Left is blood clot. Come up in a pussy. You are dead bumbo. How are you? You come create violence. How are you? Beat up who? You come from the bumbo. Who said about them? Me say the man is them down already. Who do it? And the man come and call it down there. The bumbo class. You can't run from me there. They will kill you. Pussy class you. Suck your girl.
Hey! Murder!
I never see my pussy hole, man. You very safe and it relax and blood clot in your brain and pussy hole. What's wrong, brother? The man said, tell me what's up, brother. Brother, don't make me you are saying. Don't make me I will hear you walk.
Say a line and you have to eat, I don't mind. Make sure you don't. So, are we saying water? Sad. You tell him what to do, yeah, man.
This not let me now get my body rise up probably. Then soon my police come check on me way. After me,
consider man.
me half of them.
Consider man and keep your brain.
Everyone say I was on it.
He never say about you.
Lord, this man like my salvation. They say me a witch.
Who shall I be afraid?
They say me a witch.
When the wicked come.
Who a witch?
Upon me.
I told me to let you scam me walk up.
That's all I.
Who no bumbo clan seeker. Who no come kill me dog. Man, hurry up.
You see when me talk, people might tell you see when me tell them say Andrew no have no bomber clot use in our country and the world say come out of this. I feel when me talk say government a pussy hole and I think a joke. Government a say for farmers if do the where are they lad? Look at the amount of pumpkin where they have to reap. And I thought every bit of this stand in our blood clot spoil. After this if you do farming I man do it and look, yeah. Just look by me bumbo clot, labor. No pussy hole. Fish say. Remember, you know? And you could have, government could have a factory or somewhere, you know, an export or something, you know. We do with all of this, you know. People who don't tell me truth, look. Look at squad, look at blood clot, look at pumpkin. Eh? Look at pumpkin. And I spoil every bit of that bumbo clot as well. Eh? So what you want? What you want to do? Yo man, that
I get for back thing, take out me and put back in the
So you for why? You know for why?
Brother, show me my pussy here. And show me my pussy where you come out. I don't brother get you know. I don't really get you know. You don't farm family. You know.
I'll drop it, man.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Oh, okay. We don't start no fucking thing. Yeah. I see the color.
Why on the top one? For the top one,
I see
come
the
on.
color. I see the true color. I don't need this no more. Yeah. See the true color already. I don't need this no more.
You can't, if you see my true color, oh, you see something? Alright, you have a wipe
I will peel back water before, but I don't need your access, you know.
Don't just feel but
I don't need to hold you right on this place. As I start.
wipe it good, see now wipe your stuff.
You right there, let me go to say, well, you couldn't stop, but you couldn't stop because you never see me. And you never had me, so you never
You have
had
break for me to stop.
Alright, I don't talk to you. I don't talk to you. Now, I find myself from you.
Why you hardly something come so why you hardly back one suffer?
Switch over.
Almighty God. Do it. Look at that. Touch
How
it.
is it you mind me?
What you mean?
You get mind me?
Do it. A little kill you.
Take out my money. Take out your money and make me face. I don't know, no, no, put it out. Not put it out. Yeah, this is not put it out. Yeah, okay, hold it down. Stop. Stop. I can't move. I can't move. I can't put it out. Stop. Let go.
Where must it? Fuck them off. You don't wipe out. Why get down and say who wipe out? Yes, sir.
Let go.
Put back the paint bucket, yes, sir.
Put it out.
Put back the paint bucket, yes, sir, brother.
Put it out.
Say you don't have money. The paint bucket is good, yes, sir.
No, go stand up there.
Put the paint bucket up there. And then something.
You know, you go back and put it on that table.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Wipe out in there, sir.
Okay. Stop me the moment.
Yo.
Stop me there. Yeah.
Oi. What a bomber class. What a seven.
This is the main road. And it's like a lake now. No, I'm doing a video. So you better go through. You see that vehicle, man? He only could pass. Do you know that? This is the main road, people, that take you to Spalding, take you to Mandeville. Look on it. This road in front of my gate, I have to put on a boot like this. Nobody can cross it. This is a lake. This is a lake. I have to be careful of crocodile drive me away. Look over there. No. I'm telling you. It's a young lake. It's a young lake. Nobody can cross it. They have to walk through my gate and go through that gate to cross it. No, Mr. Andrew, did you pass the other day? Well, it's Victoria, Northwest Clarendon, main road to Spalding. You cannot win if this don't fix, let me tell you. The small lake of Victoria, there goes the lake.